Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we can do Bill Clinton album challenge. So we will go to this particular link which says billclintonswag.com, and over here we will click on any of the boxes. This is also called as Bill Clinton swag, and I will click on the search for album tab and I will write here Shakira, and I will select Shakira's photo, and on the second one I will Beyonce. Okay, third one Enrique, fourth one Sheeran, perfect. I will then click on generate swag. It is loading. Okay, here we go. So this is generated. We will press on this pic and it gives you option to download image. It gives you option to download image. Click on download. We can open this particular pic and we can share this on our Instagram stories. I will click on this Instagram. Here you go. So this is the album challenge, that is Bill Clinton album challenge, which you can post on your Instagram stories. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.